in JavaScript or in React, there is something called a document object model.
Mm-hmm.
There is like JSX, and there is like component things. So inside component, there are components. Multiple layers of
Mm-hmm.
components. So they are called document object model DOM tree. That's
Mm-hmm.
called virtual tree. And I heard that in Flutter there is something called Flutter Widget Tree. I guess something like. Do you any idea about?
Exactly. Flutter uses the same approach for creating all those widgets.
Mm-hmm.
It puts them all into a widget structure. So the first widget, for example, we have is our first build method in
Mm-hmm.
our main file. This would be the material app.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have some leaves or next branches like the home screen. And the home screen has a scaffold, which is then creating main home screen scaffold, then
Mm-hmm.
app bar, then sized box. And they are all aligned in a widget tree,
Mm-hmm.
and that allows to parse the code
Mm-hmm.
quite fast.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it's a very similar behavior, I would
Yeah,
say.
and there's concept of virtual DOM.
Hmm?
That means if something it changed inside that document object model, then only that part is changed, not the whole document object model. So it's similar in Flutter that if I change one of the smallest widget inside the widget tree, then the whole widget tree should not be built, but only the widget.
It's exactly the same. So if there is a widget changing, I don't know, maybe far away from the root node from the root widget, yeah, only this widget will be rebuilt, not the whole tree. So this also has a great impact on performance then.
Okay, then if somebody wants to switch from React or React Native to Flutter, then it won't be that complicated then.
In that case, it won't, yeah.
Okay, great.